Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review of the Eskter wallet and tracker card. This is the Eskter Parliament. Of course, you have different types of this wallet. You have the Senate, but this is the Parliament. So let's open the box and see what's inside the box. Okay, so in opening the box, you can see the Eskter wallet. And as you can see, it has an E there symbol, which is the logo for Eskter. This is what the wallet looks like when it's open. There's nothing else in the box. So let's set that aside. Now, from the back of the wallet, that's what it looks like from the back. From the front, again, that's what it looks like. You open the wallet, it has two pockets here, one there. And on the back, it also has a pocket right here as well. Now, the wallet is supposed to hold 6 cards. Of course, it has this lever that pushes the card out when you press it. So we're going to press that and see. I've already fitted it with some dummy cards or some old laundry cards and stuff like that. So there you go. It fans out the cards like that, and then you can remove a card, pay, put it back. Now the lever works pretty effective because I've been using this exact wallet for a while, and guess what? Even if you press it hard, the cards do not fly out. Some brands of wallet that has this design, when you press it like that, the cards will fly out and you'll lose your card. In this case, it doesn't fly out, so the cards are secure. And even if you turn it down, see, the cards do not fall out, which is good. Now, I particularly like this wallet. The Senate does not have this piece over it. For that reason, many people would prefer to have the Senate because sometimes this little piece can get stuck in your pocket. However, for me, I don't particularly like when I have cash that as soon as I pull my wallet out, someone can see that I have cash. In case of the Senate, you have a money clip and you can put the money in it on the front of the wallet, and there is no covering. So as soon as you pull your wallet out, someone can see that there's already cash and people might want to grab that. So for that reason, I actually bought the Parliament. It has really been my favorite wallet ever. Because of the ease of access to my card, I don't have to be opening my wallet, zipping little pockets out to take my cards out. I can just press the button and the cards are out. I really love that feature with this wallet. Now, when you buy a wallet, if you buy it on the Eskter site, you will get a tracking card, an Eskter tracking card. We're going to see what this card looks like. You can also buy it on Amazon, and you can buy the card separately. In my case, I actually bought it on Amazon because it was cheaper. The wallet on the Eskter site, this was 89 bucks on Eskter site. So I bought this on Amazon and this was 69 bucks. This is actually cheaper on Amazon than it is on Eskter. The Senate, which is the cheaper wallet, seems to be the favorite so far for many people that actually buys this wallet. The Senate on Eskter site is cheaper than the Parliament, even though the Senate is the crowd favorite right now. Okay, so let's look at the card and see. So when you buy your Eskter tracking card, this is what it looks like in the box. And you can take that out. As you can see, it has a solar screen at the top of the card. Now, how that works is once you take this out and expose it to any kind of sunlight, it charges and you have 2 months of full battery life if you charge it for 2 hours under any direct source of light. And it means that you can charge it from the bulbs, the light bulbs in your room, you can charge it from the sunlight outside. Anything that exposes it to 2 hours of constant sunlight, of course, gives you 2 months supply of battery life. Now, what I have been doing with this, I don't actually use direct sunlight on the outside. I keep the card right there in the back of a wallet like that. And when I come home in the evenings or from work, I just simply flip that like that and I put it on the dresser in my bedroom. What happens is that the light bulb from the ceiling does the job of charging it while I'm up, moving around, doing whatever, getting a shower, changing, doing all that. It's being charged. And so for that reason, I don't really have to expose it to direct sunlight. Now, you don't have to do it every evening. You can do it once a month, and that will be fine. If you do it once a month for 2 hours, you should be fine. So far, since I've had it, it's never lost charge. It's kept pretty much full charge most of the time. And I've never had a problem with it. It also stays pretty well connected to my phone. Now, the card works with a Chipolo app, which Chipolo is right now one of the best lost and found tracking app you can find out there. I'm going to show you how that works. It has a two-way alarm system. So for instance, the first thing you're going to do before I even get into that, I'm going to show you how the app works. So the first thing you're going to do is when you get it, you're going to download the Chipolo app. The Chipolo app, of course, needs registration. So it's going to ask you to register. All you have to do is register your Chipolo tracking card, and it's pretty simple. Once you put in the basic information like name, email address, and so on, it's just going to ask you to press the button on your Eskter tracking card. But there is one thing you have to do to get there. When you get in, you're going to have to go down to My Chipolo and you're going to have to look for partner companies, and then you're going to look for the Eskter tracking card. Once you've found that, it's going to say just press the button. You press the button and it'll pair automatically. And from then on, it'll stay paired all the time. When you open the app, automatically the tracking card pairs. Now, you can actually find your phone if your phone is lost without opening the app, because once you've pressed this twice, it'll ring your phone. That will happen whether or not the app is open. However, you can't actually find your wallet unless you have the app open. When the app is open, Chipolo will track your wallet all the time. It'll keep a register of the last location of your wallet 5-6 times an hour. So therefore, if your wallet ever gets lost, you can come to the app and you can look on the map and it'll pretty much show you right where your wallet is located. For privacy reason, I'm not going to allow it to show you my location. However, that's what you would do and you would find where your wallet is located. It also has community find, which is something I love. I was gonna buy one of those tiles to put in the wallet and you can track the wallet with tile. However, there are some deficiencies with tile in terms of how the app works, and so I didn't bother. Instead, I bought the Eskter tracking card because one, I don't want to have to change batteries. That's number one. And number two, there are many things that tile charges for that is free with Chipolo. So I was gonna explain to you before how the community find works. How community find works is that in case I lost my wallet, just like this, if I lost my wallet and the wallet is out of range of my phone, what will happen is that anyone who has the Chipolo app on their phone open, once they go by the Eskter tracking card, their phone will automatically pick up the card, and then it will send me an anonymous message saying that my wallet has been found at XY, and I will give you the particular location, so therefore you can actually track the wallet and go pick it up wherever it's at. And that's a very, very good feature. Of course, Tile and other company, they have those features as well. However, here is the deficient feature that Tile does not have. This has separation alert. And separation alert means that if I leave my wallet somewhere and I walk away, once I go beyond a certain distance, usually like about 75 feet, my phone automatically generates a message that says, oh, you left your wallet, and it gives a beep, an alarming sound, so you can know that you actually left your wallet. If you leave your phone, it works in reverse, where the Eskter tracking card alarms, it goes off, it starts beeping, so you know that, hey, something is wrong. And once you hear that, you will realize that you actually left your phone. For Tile actually charges for that service, and you have to pay a monthly subscription of something like $3 a month or something like that, just to have separation alert. And from what I've heard, I haven't actually used the Tile, so I can't say how it works, but I heard from many reviews, many people who have used Tile, that the separation alert, even when you pay for it, that it doesn't work. You will not know if you leave your wallet because the thing is just broken. It doesn't work. In this case, I can say for a fact that the separation alert that comes with the Chipolo app, that it works. Right now, in case you lose your wallet in the house, you want to find your wallet, all you have to do is go to the Chipolo app and you click ring my wallet, and you see and in case, for instance, it's the reverse, you've lost your phone somewhere in the house, you can just double tap that twice, and as you can see, it's already ringing your phone. So it'll keep ringing until you find the phone, and then you can click stop and it'll stop ringing right away. Right? So this is the reason I chose the Eskter card instead of a Tile that I could just slip in my wallet and use it. Now the card sold separately, and separately the card is $49. And this is the price both on Amazon and the Eskter site. It's all the same price for the card. And like I said, I love the card because it's solar and I don't have to worry about changing batteries all the time. So, you know, it's not like you forget to change the batteries and then your wallet gets lost, and guess what? The battery is dead. So you can't find your wallet. I don't like that idea. I like to make sure that I always have battery life, and this gives me that option. However, there are a few things that is disappointing to me that I would like to see changed. Like, for instance, now that the card is in the wallet, as you can see, the solar screen is completely covered. If I was going to design a wallet like this, and if I had a choice in changing it, I would make this pocket here on the back horizontal across like that, so that when I slip the card in, that the solar panel will stay open while the card is in the wallet. That way, when I pull my wallet out in the evenings, I don't have to slip the card out like that. All I simply have to do is just turn my wallet facing up, turn the solar panel facing up, so that it can actually absorb the light without taking this out of the wallet. And that for me would be a very, very useful feature, because many times you take your wallet out, you lay it down, even though you don't realize it, you're laying it probably face up where the solar panel is exposed, and it would be able to charge without you even knowing it. In this situation, you will have to actively slip the card out and expose the solar panel, which is one of the things I least like about this wallet. However, for me, it's not that big of a deal because I'm pretty conscious of having it fully charged all the time. Whether or not that will continue in the future, it depends, because sometimes you get so complacent you literally forget to slip the card out, which is why I would have loved for one of these pockets to be horizontal and to be the exact size where you slip the card down like that, and then it's covered all the way up to here, just leaving the solar panel exposed. You could also do it with one of those pockets on the inside as well, so you could do it like that, and instead of taking the card out, you could just probably open your wallet like that. In terms of holding the capacity of cards that it holds, I can tell you this: they say it holds 6 cards, but I am not 100% sure about that. If you put 6 cards in here, which I've tried before, it doesn't slide out evenly and it doesn't slide out smoothly. It is a little bit tight when you get 6 cards in there. I've had 5 cards and it works comfortably with 5 cards. I don't know if when they said 6 cards, they meant that you have these 2 pockets that holds additional cards as well. But for me, 5 cards holds here comfortably and not 6. However, I do like the technology that there is a rubber holding the cards in place. So if you do that, the cards will not fly out no matter how hard you do it. It'll stay in the wallet. Love that. You don't lose your card while trying to access them, unlike the competitors, which that happens a lot with competitors' wallet, right? So that's how it works. Now, for me, in terms of build quality, the product, it's made from leather, and it's pretty good leather. It's thin, kind of like a napa leather situation. It's very, very nice, soft to the touch. I love the quality of the wallet. Once again, guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. And of course, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you for the next review. Thank you so very much.